SX4952 in proper turn.
Alexa, record. Okay, presto.
Recording traffic stop.
Same biker.
What? What?
JPF 3852. Boys navigating. He could have just went, you know? Don't know. KMB 856.
Estimated time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Clearly you want to go. Cut everybody off. No zipper for you. No, you want to go. Everybody get it.
There's a big line.
I'm surprised. I mean, well, this is usually what happens in summertime. It's usually like. Too crazy, but.
Was it down the road or up the road?
KZF 5346. A butcher. What you like? Cut people. Another one joined the line. Another one. GRG 8922. Another one. About to get in an accident with the other cutter. The cutter getting cutting off. What the hell did this guy just do? Jesus. He should have found a better place to pull him over, unless it's an accident. Damn, all this because maybe this vehicle